Hi friends, welcome to S&D Innovations. Today in this video I will show you how to make a solar watch charging unit. So lot of devices are available in the market, but those are very pricely compared to their work abilities. So it is better to make our own. So let's see how I have built it. So these are the following material I have used to make a solar watch charger. So this circuit is provided for RGB and it will look fascinating type. The total system will be made that can be operated with remote control or touch sensor switch. So let build it. So first of all I will install the circuit inside the casing which I have built with the help of 3D printer, or you may able to make a similar type of casing or use any type of cap or container cap to make it. The aluminum section is required to dissipate the heat of the LED, because these type of LED are high intense LED and create a lot of heat. So it is better to eliminate the heat with the help of heat sinker unit. So this heat sinking unit is available in any type of 6 watt, 9 watt or 15 watt LED bulb. So you can see friend, the build part is almost completed and I have made it with the help of transparent cartridge in 3D printer, so that the inside uh, light can be seen. I have provided a screw for touch sensor. So let check it. So friend, you can see it is looking amazing, and this unit can be operated from a distance to activate and deactivate with the help of remote control. And there is lot of color. So you can see here I am activating the touch switch to change the color of the LED. So with the help of this unit you can charge any type of solar watch, and I have checked it. It takes around 8 hours to 12 hours for complete charge from 50% to 100%, and from 0% to 100% it requires about 16 hours to 20 hours approximately. So friend, you can see it is looking amazing, and it will cost you around not more than 200 rupees, whereas to purchase similar type of uh, solar watch charger it takes around 3000 rupees. Thank you friends.